Welcome back to How to Tech TV, and this time we will teach you how to make a simple website with Google Sites. Go to sites.google.com and log in your Google account. This is Google Sites. You can scan the code to go to Google Sites. The first thing is to create your site. You can start with a template. Tap the plus icon to create an empty site. You can see this now. Let's start editing. Add a title, favicon, and website logo. You can tap the untitled site to change your website name. Start inputting to change the name. You can see that the site name is changed. You can input your page title here. You can enter things like welcome to my website, my blog, etc. You can choose your own font and font size. Part 2. Add logo and icon. Tap the gear icon to go to settings. Then tap brand image. You can change your logo and favicon here. Favicon, an icon that shows on browser tab. You can see that your logo appeared near the website name. You can only see your favicon after you publish the website. The second thing is theming. Part 1. Website theming. For beginners, you can use the preset themes offered by Google. You can choose other theme you like. It is just up to you. You can edit the font style and color theme by yourself. Second thing, custom theme. If you don't like the themes by Google, you can create a custom theme. You can see a pop-up appear. Enter a name for your theme. You can add a logo and banner image by yourself. Tap next to continue. There are many presets colors for you to choose. The last thing is to set the font of the theme. Tap create theme to finish. Or done. The third thing is header customization. You can customize the banner by yourself. You can adjust the header type according to your needs. You can choose cover, large banner, and title only header. You can add an image to the banner. Tap change image to add. You can add image according to your website theme. Tap select to finish. Done. Let's build a site. The first thing is a text box. You can enter simple text with a text box. Second thing is Collapsible Group. You can add a collapsible group to store long text. When you preview the website, the title is only visible. You should tap the arrow button to make the text visible. This is an example. Done. The third thing is inserting images. You can add some images to make the website more interesting. You can add images from your device, Google Drive, Google Search, and Photos. Tap Insert to insert your image. You can resize your image by yourself. You can also crop it. The fourth thing is YouTube videos. You can feature YouTube videos in your website. Slide down and you can find the YouTube feature. Type the search term or your video link to the search bar, then tap search to continue. If it shows no videos found, try the embed feature. Slide up, then tap embed. Insert the video link to the box. You can see the preview of your video. Tap insert to finish. Done. You can resize the video border according to your own needs. The fifth thing is image carousel. You can add multiple images into a slideshow. Tap Image Carousel at the menu. You need to add 2 or more images in order to make an image carousel. You can add images from Google Drive, URL, Google, and your device. Just tap Insert to continue. Tap Insert to finish. Let's preview the website. You can slide through the image when you preview the website. The sixth thing is the buttons. Tap the button under Image Carousel. Enter the button name and the hyperlink. Tap Insert to finish inserting. I will use my channel link for demonstration. You can edit the button style, name, and hyperlink. You can choose only text, field, and outlined button. Let's preview the website. When you click the button, you will be redirected to a linked site. You can discover more by yourself. The fourth thing is layouts. The first thing is image plus title box plus text. You can add image, maps, YouTube video, and calendar to the placeholder. Let's see the sample. Tap Insert to insert the image. This is just an example. You can type the things you like. Three placeholders plus three title box plus three text. It is similar to the previous layout. Let's see the example. In this time we will demonstrate how to add hyperlink to images. Tap Insert to insert your images. Click the box to edit the text. Tap Insert to finish inserting the image. And then I will demonstrate how to add links to the images. Tap the button like a change to add link to the images. Just click the image 1 to see this. It's the same way to add hyperlinks to other images. Let's preview the website. You will be redirected to a linked website when you click the image. Multiple pages. Tap Pages near Insert. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the side toolbar. Tap Add Page to continue. Type the page name and tap Done to finish. You will see a new page is added. You can also add a subpage by clicking the three-dot icon. Just type the subpage name, then tap Done to continue. You can see a subpage is created. Let's preview the website. Just click on the navigation bar, you can change from pages to pages. You can also add a link to the navigation bar. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the side toolbar. Tap Add Links to continue. Type your link display name and the hyperlink. Tap Done to continue. You will be redirected to a linked web page if you click the designated button. The last thing is to publish your site. Tap Publish near the profile icon. Enter the website address. It should be unique. Tap Publish to continue. Tap View to view your published site. All done. You can tap the edit icon at the bottom right hand corner to edit your site. This is my finished website. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Goodbye.